So it's fast approaching midnight, and I've had a good old knees up with my cousin, and he cooked roast chicken for me, Indian version. Oi! I'm trying to get the attention. I've got some leftovers, bones and scraps, which in India, if you've got anything vegetarian, you give it to the cows, and if it's non-veg, you give it to the dogs. So I've got myself some bones and all that left over. So I don't want to throw that away into the bin. I want to give it to the dogs. So here we go. There's a couple of dogs here ahead of me. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. So here's the food. Here's my bag. I've got to make it out now. Hold on. They're coming. They're coming. But well, because I've got one hand here. Okay. Okay, kids. Aja. Alright. So these dogs are hungry. These are stray dogs. And they're not violent or anything. Oh, look at that, bless him. Lele. They will eat everything I've put here, all the scraps. Now ordinarily my cousins and all that, they will throw this way, but no, not me. I like to see the kids, little dogs eat, because they're hungry. Why shouldn't they eat? Leo, cow. Come on dogs. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. There you go. Jalika, come on, hurry up. Okay. Aja. I'll step away. I think they're scared. He's going to eat it all. Come on, where's the other one? Why aren't you not eating? Well, if you don't get in there, you're gonna miss out. So this dog is wise. He's in there, man. Survival of the fittest. We all gotta eat. Come on, baby, get in there. Come on, darling. He's eaten it all, I think. Yeah. He's left nothing. Sorry, sweetheart. You've left out. Okay, next time.